Hello all, a warm greetings to everyone. We, Dr. J. Janet, Dr. S. Balakrishnan, Dr. P. Kavitarani and Dr. A. Padma, the team Shanaya, representing Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Kuniyamuttur, Coimbatore, have a great pleasure in presenting delicious, nutritious and healthy recipes by incorporating millets and amla flakes in our regular diets. Let's demonstrate the process of crunchy energy bites. The ingredients are little millet flakes, amla flakes, lecithin, cocoa powder and skimmed milk powder. Firstly, prepare chocolate bars using these ingredients to proceed further, and then take the chocolate bar and cut them into small pieces so it will be easy for melting. Melt the chocolates until it becomes soft consistency. Then add millet flakes and amla flakes to the melted chocolate and stir it well. Then pour them into the chocolate tray. These energy bites are enriched of healthy millet flakes and amla flakes which will be loved by children. So freeze it and serve it. Crunchy energy bites are ready. We, the team Shanaya, are super happy in sharing these healthy and delicious recipes with you all. Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. Eat healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you. We, the team Shanaya, are super happy in sharing these healthy and delicious recipes with you all. Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. Eat healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you.